In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Chase Pay Over Time works and how you can use it to split your credit card purchases into manageable payments. This is going to be particularly useful if you've made a purchase already on your Chase credit card and want to go ahead and pay over time rather than all at once. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is log into your Chase app on your phone. Once you're in, scroll down until you see your Chase credit cards. For this example, I'm going to use my Chase Sapphire Reserve card. From here, scroll down until you see all your transactions. Tap on See All Transactions. This will show you a list of your recent purchases. It's important to note a few things before using Pay Over Time. The purchase must be made within the past 90 days. It must be over $100, and the transaction needs to be completed, not pending. As you scroll through your transactions, you'll notice some may have a tag that says Pay Over Time Eligible. This tag indicates that you can split this particular purchase into multiple payments. Tap on the eligible transaction you want to pay over time. Now, on the transaction page, look for the Pay Over Time button, which is located underneath the total transaction amount. Tap on that, and you'll be presented with several payment options. You can choose between 3, 6, or 12 payments. Each option will show the associated fee, but currently, there's no interest on these payment plans. You'll also see the total cost for your selected plan displayed at the bottom of the page, so you know exactly what you'll be paying. Once you've chosen your preferred payment option, scroll down and click Next. You'll be taken to a confirmation page where you can double-check everything: the purchase you're paying over time, your selected plan, and the total cost. You'll also see a detailed breakdown of your plan and when each payment is due. After confirming, your Pay Over Time plan is set up, and Chase will automatically charge your selected payments on the scheduled dates. This is by far the easiest way I've seen to manage larger credit card purchases without paying everything at once. If you're already using Chase Pay Over Time, or if you know a quicker or better way to set it up, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your tips. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.